Draft. A current of air, usually coming into a room or vehicle. Draw through a flue of gases, smoke, resulting from a combustion process. An act of drinking. The quantity of liquid, such as water, alcohol, or medicine, drunk in one swallow. A dose, of medicine, alcohol, etc. Beer drawn from a cask or keg rather than a bottle or can. Nautical, depth of water needed to float a ship, depth below the water line to the bottom of a vessel's hull, depth of water drawn by a vessel. An early version of a written work, such as a book or email, or drawing. A preliminary sketch or outline for a plan. A check, an order for money to be paid. Conscription, the system of forcing people to serve in the military. Politics, a system of forcing or convincing people to take an elected position. Sports, a system of assigning rookie players to professional sports teams. Rail transport, the pulling force, tension, on couplers and draft gear during a slack-stretched condition. The bevel given to the pattern for a casting, so that it can be drawn from the sand without damaging the mold. Possibly archaic, the action or an act, especially of a beast of burden or vehicle, of pulling something along or back. Possibly archaic, the act of drawing in a net for fish. Possibly archaic, that which is drawn in, a catch, a haul. A quantity that is requisitioned or drawn out from a larger population. Transitive, to write a first version, make a preliminary sketch. To draw an outline, to make a draft, sketch, or plan of, as in architectural and mechanical drawing. To write a law. Transitive, to conscript a person, force a person to serve in some capacity, especially in the military. To select someone, or something, for a particular role or purpose. To select and separate an animal or animals from a group. Transitive, sports, to select a rookie player onto a professional sports team. Transitive, intransitive, to follow very closely, behind another vehicle, thereby providing an aerodynamic advantage to both lead and follower and conserving energy or increasing speed. To draw out, to call forth. To draw fibers out of a clump, for spinning in the production of yarn. Not comparable, referring to drinks on tap, in contrast to bottled. Referring to animals used for pulling heavy loads. D. R. A. F. T. Draft.